In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for an envelope in DocuSign. To get started, open the DocuSign website and sign into your account. Once you're in, look for the area called Agreements or Manage. Depending on the version of the DocuSign interface you're using, the name may be different, since in some versions the Manage tab has been renamed to Agreements. Either way, this is the section where you'll locate and review your envelopes. Next, open either the Inbox or the Sent section, depending on where the envelope is most likely to be. If you received the envelope or need to act on it, Inbox is usually the best place to begin. If you sent it out yourself, check Sent. Near the top of the page, find the search box. This is where you'll enter any details you already know about the envelope. You can search using several types of information, including the envelope name, the sender name, the recipient email address, or the envelope ID. The more specific your search term is, the easier it may be to find the exact result you need. After entering the information, press Enter or select the search option to run the search. DocuSign will display the matching results for you to review. Take a moment to look through the list carefully. If the results are too broad, use filters to narrow them down. You can refine the results using criteria such as date, sender, folder, or envelope collection. This is especially helpful if you have many envelopes with similar names, or if you're searching through a large account. You can also use a quick view to narrow the list even further. Options such as action required, waiting for others, or completed can help you focus on the current status of the envelope you're looking for. If you already know the envelope ID, you can save time by entering that ID directly into the search box. This is often the fastest and most accurate way to locate a specific envelope. Once you find the correct result, select the envelope from the search results. Then review the envelope details, including its status, recipients, and any available actions. If you need to search custom envelope information, enable the option to include envelope custom fields when that feature is available. Finally, verify that you found the correct envelope before taking any action. This helps prevent mistakes, especially when multiple envelopes have similar details. Thanks for watching.